Hello, so this is a video about AI on business management. So to start off, I want to make a question that is really important, and I think that nobody can answer it. So will AI replace humans? And my point of view, I think that in a span of 30 years, maybe AI can replace 50% of humans, but it needs to get very advanced in order to replace us. Even though, for example, Elon Musk is saying that by 2030, it will replace a lot of humans and it will take over their jobs. I still think that we need a lot of time to progress with AI. Let's take an example, ChatGPT. We see that maybe not every year, but in 6 months, it's coming a new version. But still, they need a lot of data in order to make it perfect. Another example, it's self-learning AI. There is a case that happened in Facebook in 2017 where engineers developed two different chatbots. And after like a week, they shut them off and didn't ever turn them on because the bots started creating a language that only those two could understand. The engineers that created them didn't even understand what the bots were saying, so they had to shut them off because they were afraid that they would take them over or something like that. But this also shows the power of AI. Another example or another topic that is very important, it's also the ethics of AI. A lot of people are concerned with ethics of AI, for example, bias, discrimination, stereotypes. So will AI be able to differentiate between all of these? In my opinion, with time, it will learn to differentiate, because if we feed enough data and if we create enough data in the next few years, let me say in a span of more than 10 years, then yes. But the hardest part is to get the data, and without data, I don't think that we can maybe create something that big. But to answer the question, in my opinion, yes, it will replace us humans. For example, in China, they are developing these tutoring bots, so students or pupils can learn with tutoring bots. And here comes the question that can tutoring bots replace also teachers in the next few years, because they might become smarter, they might become also more efficient and all of that. Another example is in factories. Amazon is only using robots in their factories. Why spend money on humans when after 8 hours humans get tired, but robots never stop? Even if they have a malfunction, they can be replaced fast, they can fix the issue, and then everything is working good. So yeah, this was my point of view in AI in business management, and thank you very much.